To create a Phantom wallet, start by going to the Phantom website and clicking on the download link for your preferred browser, either Google Chrome or Brave. Once the extension is installed, click on the Phantom icon in your browser toolbar and select Create New Wallet. You will then be asked to create a password for your wallet. Choose a strong and unique password that you will remember, as this will be used to secure your wallet. Next, you will be given a secret recovery phrase. This is used to restore your wallet if you lose access to it. So make sure to write it down and store it in a safe place. After setting up your password and secret recovery phrase, your wallet will be created and you can start using it to send and receive Solana tokens. To add tokens to your wallet, click on the Add Token button and search for the token you want to add. Then click on the Add Token button to add it to your wallet. To send tokens from your wallet, click on the Send button and enter the recipient's wallet address, the amount of tokens you want to send, and any additional information required. To receive tokens, click on the Receive button and you will be given a QR code and a wallet address that the sender can use to send tokens to your wallet. It is also important to keep your wallet and browser up to date, as updates often include security patches and new features. Additionally, be cautious when interacting with contracts and only send tokens to wallets you trust by following these steps and best practices. You can create a secure and functional Phantom wallet to manage your Solana tokens.